Outdoor lighting relies on photocells for automatic control and proper wire gauge for stable electrical supply. These components work together to create a safe, efficient, and reliable system, saving energy and minimizing faults. Basics of gauge. In the context of wiring, gauge refers to the thickness of a wire. The American Wire Gauge (AWG) system classifies wires based on size, with lower gauge numbers indicating thicker wires. For example, 12 AWG wire is thicker than 18 AWG wire. Why is gauge important? The wire gauge determines its current carrying capacity. Thicker wires, lower gauge numbers, handle more current, suitable for longer runs and higher power demands. Thinner wires, higher gauge numbers, suit shorter runs and lower power applications. Choosing the right gauge ensures efficient operation and safety. Comparing 18 AWG and 16 AWG. 18 AWG and 16 AWG wires differ in thickness and current carrying capacity. 18 AWG, thinner, more flexible, suitable for low power applications, up to 10 amps, ideal for tight spaces and shorter runs. 16 AWG, thicker, more robust, suitable for higher power applications, up to 13 amps, ideal for longer runs and demanding lighting fixtures. Practical implications. The choice between 18 AWG and 16 AWG depends on your specific lighting needs. For small areas and low power lights, 18 AWG provides flexibility and ease of installation. For larger areas or demanding setups, 16 AWG ensures reliable performance and safety. Versatile outdoor lighting solutions from LongJoin. LongJoin outdoor lighting controllers, including Photocells and smart IoT systems, offer efficient and automated operation. Their products are compatible with 18 AWG and 16 AWG wires, ensuring reliable performance and easy installation. Buying tips. Selecting the ideal gauge light controller. When choosing a gauge light controller, consider 1. Lighting needs. Calculate total wattage and number of fixtures. 2. Distance. Thicker wire, lower gauge, for longer runs. 3. Compatibility. Ensure controller compatibility with wire gauge. 4. Environment. Choose weather-resistant options for harsh conditions. This ensures optimal performance, safety, and efficiency for your outdoor lighting system. Choosing the right photocell and wire gauge is crucial for reliable and efficient outdoor lighting, ensuring optimal performance and safety. LongJoin products can help simplify and enhance your outdoor lighting setup.